Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the nested iframes using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. We are going to write the script for this web page. So here we need to click this click me button inside the click me inside nested frame label. So let's see how to write the script. Open Visual Studio and open the new file. So here first we need to launch the web browser. For that, write the script as iWebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Now we need to open that web page. So for that, write driver dot navigate off dot go to URL. Here inside double quotes we need to paste the web page URL. So this is the web page URL. Copy this and paste here. So here we need to put a semicolon. Now we need to identify the web element. So here, now this is the web element, and right click from here and go to inspect. So this is the button element. So first we have an iframe. So inside that another one iframe is there. So this button is inside the second iframe. So this is called the nested iframe. First let's identify this element, button element. Click here and go to right click and go to copy XPath. And to identify the element we need to write the script as driver dot find element by dot XPath. Open bracket inside double quotes, paste the XPath value, and here remove this double quotes and put a single quote. Here put a semicolon and store this in a web element. iWeb element, you need to give a variable name. Frame button. You can give any name here. Now click that button. For that, frame button dot click. Now let's run the script. It will throw an error. So let's see. .NET run. In the console you can see the error, unable to locate the element. The reason is the control is still in the main web page. We need to switch the control to this frame. So here first we have an main iframe, and inside that there is another iframe. So we need to transfer the control from the main web page to the frame. So for that we need to write the script. Before identifying the element, we need to write driver dot switch to dot frame of. So first we need to transfer the control to the main iframe. This is the main iframe. Here we don't have any frame ID or frame name. So we need to identify by the index. So this is the first frame, this one is the second one, and this is the third one. So that means the index will be 2. The index will be 0 for the first one, 1 for the second one, and 2 for the third one. So frame of 2. Now we need to again switch the control to the nested frame. So this is the nested frame. So here we have frame ID and frame name. We can identify this by any one of this. So again write driver dot switch to of dot frame of frame 2. Frame 2 is the frame ID. Now let's run the script again. .NET run. Now the button is clicked. Now we can write one more script. So click this button and let's try to get the text of this button. So let's see how to write this. Again, so since we are using the same element, we can use this variable name frame button dot. To get the text of that button, we have a function called text. Now we need to store this in a variable. So this this is a text, we need to store this in a string variable. String frame button text equal to this frame button dot text function. Now we can print this value console dot write line print this variable and here put a semicolon. Now run the script again. Now if you can see the console, you can see the text of that button. Let me explain the script again. So first we need to open the browser, then open the web page. Now we need to switch the control from the main web page to the main iframe. Then again we need to switch the control from that iframe to the nested iframe. Then identify that button element, click that element and then identify the text of that button and now print the value of the button. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.